Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to use my new product, the Daily and Weekly Planner template. I'll also explain the charts and calculations included in the planner. First, open the PDF file and click the template link. Remember, you'll need a free Google account. Once the page opens, click Use Template in the top right corner and your personal planner will be ready to use. At the bottom, you'll see the main tabs. A step-by-step guide can be found on the Instructions page. On page 2, I've added a sample filled-in planner, and page 3 contains your actual planner template. Before you start using the planner, I recommend a few quick steps. 1. Go to File, Settings, and under Time Zone, select your local time zone. Then click Save Settings. This ensures all the dates work correctly. 2. Open the template page. If the first day of the week is not Sunday in your country, simply double-click and change it to Monday. 3. Adjust the mood tracker and water intake sections. I've already added a few options and emojis, but you can customize them. Just type the mood you'd like to add, then go to Insert, Emoji, and choose one. To edit, delete the current emoji and replace it with a new one. For water intake, simply edit the emoji next to 1 cup. And that's it. Now you can start planning. Let's go through an example together. Start by right-clicking on the Template tab and selecting Duplicate. Feel free to rename your new page to whatever works best for you. Next, set your start date by double-clicking the field and choosing the date. I write down up to 10 habits in the Habits section. Then I list my daily tasks, up to 15 per day. As the days go by, I check off the boxes next to the habits and tasks I've completed. Sections like Top Priorities, Grateful for, and Notes can be filled in however you'd like. For the mood tracker, simply click the small triangle on the right and select your mood. For water intake, use the same method to log how many cups of water you've had. Now, let's look at the charts. As you tick tasks off, the charts will update automatically. In the overall performance chart, you can see your daily progress relative to how many of your daily tasks you have completed. The pie chart shows your weekly progress, the percentage of tasks completed out of your total. In the habit tracker, you'll see your weekly completion rate for each habit. The colour-coded bar chart highlights your progress in 20% intervals. The daily progress section shows how many tasks you planned versus how many you actually completed each day. It's really that simple. After finishing a week, you can choose to hide, delete, or leave the page as it is. To start a new week, just right-click on the Template tab and select Duplicate. And that's all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using your new planner.